How to hide your WhatsApp profile picture for a specific person. Want to keep your WhatsApp profile picture private from specific people? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to hide your profile picture from someone without blocking them. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android or the settings icon at the bottom right corner if you're on iPhone. Next, go to Privacy from the menu. This is where you can control who sees your personal information. Under Privacy, tap on a profile photo. You'll see several options for who can view your profile picture. Here, select My Contacts Accept to choose specific people who won't be able to see your profile picture. Scroll through your contacts and tap on the person or people you want to hide your profile picture from. Once selected, tap the checkmark or Done to save your changes. That's it. Your profile picture will now be hidden from the selected person or people, and they won't know you made this change. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.